So a standard install is going to be about a full day. Part of the install process for us, which is actually really sets LeafGuard apart, is what we call a flashing or a Z flashing. At the top of LeafGuard, we extend what we call that Z flashing right to the edge of the roof. What this allows us to do is protect the house and to keep water from getting behind LeafGuard. And so it's a very unique process. We make it special for each house so it matches the pitch of the roof and the flow of the gutter. If the homeowner's home, the guys actually really like to be able to take the homeowner around, show them how everything is laid out, make sure that everything's going to match up to their expectations. If they'd like to see how the guys do certain things, they're more than welcome to come out and look and ask questions. And we actually encourage it so they understand what we're doing.
I was talking with one of the guys while he was up on the ladder, and he said between the 4 guys they had 125 years experience. You know, I felt really comfortable with LeafGuard because of that.
And they worked just as hard as ever and got it up in, half a day on a Sunday morning. So I was pretty impressed, and they were able to get everything done, like I said, in half a day.
The crew was great. They were really friendly, and they showed up when they said they would, did a fantastic job. And again, like seeing them actually being excited about doing the custom work was pretty fun to see people that like doing what they're doing.